friends.
I'm Mike.
And I'm Karen, and we are the Baskets. Join us as we begin flipping the farm. Good morning. It is Monday, so this is our first time seeing you since last week.
Yeah, I actually took Saturday, went to a tournament in Arkansas. I haven't done that in 7 months because of the little injury on my hip. So that was a blast. And then Karen got to hang out with our daughter and son-in-law. And
we went girl shopping. And then Sunday was church and a luncheon. So
yeah, went into food coma because we had the luncheon, and you know how that goes. So this morning
we're going to eat breakfast, get a massage, chiropractor, and Mill Creek to pick up some hardy board trim. More hardy board trim.
Yeah, this is the day that we normally would take off, but we think that, you know, after all that work above our heads, massage is going to be great. And then if we can motivate ourselves, we'll start doing some board and batten and trim and let you guys see what that's going to look like. We're kind of excited to do that.
I'm so excited for that.
So keep it watching and we'll see when that is. It might be tomorrow morning, but it might be tonight.
Alrighty, here we are, and it's actually about 5:30 in the evening on Monday. We decided to go ahead and come over and start working on this hardy board trim because we're both really pumped to get some of this up. Mike is about to cut the first piece of the hardy board trim that we're putting on the outside of the house here. So as you saw, we got the corner trim on down there, and now then we're putting a base trim on. And it looks so good, y'all. I love how it's finishing it out, and hopefully we'll get a couple of the boards up for the board and batten look here in a little bit. So it's Tuesday morning and we are back at it. Gotta say, it was a little frustrating last night trying to get some of this put up because, again, things are not straight. So dealing with lots of crookedness and unlevelness and all that jazz. But today is gonna be a great day because it's beautiful and nice and cool this morning. So we're gonna get started on completing this up here. Would you look at that?
I'll tell you what I want to do. I want you to, hopefully she can do this, but she'll take a picture of this and then the original, what it looked like original.
Oh.
And look at the difference.
Yeah, lots.
That's the cool part.
Look at that all trimmed out. That looks so good. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm in love. will you do me a favor and like pull the door shut? I mean, I know you can't shut it all the way because of the cords, but picture the door black. And look how amazing that's gonna look. Oh my, wow. Perfecto. Good job, babe. Here's that comparison Mike was wanting me to show you, the old entry versus the new front door entry. Sorry the door's not closed here, but you get the gist of it. Once we got those top and bottom trim pieces put in, we were then able to start on the board and batten. As you can see, I'm a little bit excited here, and we just motored along on the front and tried to get as much done as we could today. We did have to leave a little early, so we didn't quite finish up the front, but I think we made major big progress today. We were pretty excited to get our first window trimmed out. Our electricians were able to come back this week, and so we were thrilled about this, of course. They were here, there were 4 of them, and they were just cranking things out left and right. So again, very, very excited to get a lot of electrical things taken care of. All right, so today was a rather productive day. You can see that we got this all done here. Can't complete this section until we have window. Same for here. There's the master of board and batten himself. So we have 7 more, I think, to complete. 7 or 8 more down there tomorrow, but for now, we are done for the day. We did good. I'm so proud of this. I think this is amazing and just looks beautiful. And I love it. How many times have I told you that today, Mike?
Just about 37.
37 times? Because I'm so happy with it. Wow. So I guess we can call this West Side Wednesday, because here we are on the west side of the house. And, you know, at the end of the day, I really didn't feel like we had accomplished much, but these angles and cuts and things are not fun. And Mike is very detailed and a perfectionist, so it's going to be perfect. Trust me. Do not try this at home.
We are at home, babe.
I mean,
We are at home.
we are at home, but you viewers, do not try this at home.
What's right at your home?
We really need that extension ladder back. What are we doing today?
I think we're gonna do some more board and batten. How's that sound?
Let's do it.
We're gonna work on the west end today, and we're gonna get as much done as we possibly can. We have a beautiful morning, and we kind of delayed a little bit getting started today just because we were a little tired. But we're gonna get excited and
Crank it
fired up
out.
and crank it up. So
Here we
Y'all
go.
keep watching.
All right, and so we've had people ask, and in case you ever wonder, what do we do with the scrap metal that we find? This is what we do. We pile it all up, or so far we've piled it all up, and our sweet neighbor, Mr. Jackson, and his grandson, these are the same ones that came down and got the Spartan trailer off of the property in the beginning. And they compact it all up and haul it off in their trailer. So that is really helpful to us, and we greatly appreciate that. I know you saw us celebrating a completion earlier. Well, that was just for the bottom half on the west end. Now we're doing the top half. So Mike is mostly doing this while I assemble the little tables that go with our black rocking chairs. I ordered 2 of these from Amazon and they match. They're perfect. I'll put the link in the description below. If you happen to have ordered the chairs, these are the tables that go with. While Mike was finishing up the board and batten, I went ahead and started caulking all the seams. Oh my wow, you guys, there's a whole heck of a lot of caulking that's going to take place on this house. I'm not even sure if I'm going to have any fingerprints left by the time this is over with. There's so much happening today. Mike and I got this finished up with the exception of where the window will go. So waiting for that to happen, then we'll be able to finish the board and batten there. Our neighbor is here again with his tractor and his grandson, and they're taking care of all the scrap metal. Electricians have been here all day, wrapping things up, so lots happening. I just wanted to give you a quick reminder of what this west end of the house looked like before and what it looks like today after completing that. Okie dokie, it is Friday morning and now we are on the east side of the house. Gonna start trimming it out and getting ready for the board and batten on this side. Okay, so we have a little tip for you, and there may very well be something available to buy already like this for this, but with all the caulking we're having to do, yesterday I was using these 3 bare fingers and cut this one, and they're sore and bleeding, so Mike had a solution and it was perfect. I've been going for a while with this piece already.
We're gonna get down here. So this is storm bowling tape. I don't know if a lot of you guys know that I bowl a lot, and when I cut on my thumb, you put this on it. It's designed for that, fingers, whatever. So just lots and lots of friction, and it stretches really tight. And so anyway, Karen's caulking, and we just figured out that, how did we do that? We just figured out, let me do it that way. We figured out that this
saves my finger
helps
big time.
a lot, and you just kind of take the edges off so that they don't catch so easily.
But all this time I've been caulking this morning, I've been using this on my finger, and it has the finger that was already cut, so it's saving my finger. So little tip for you, use sports tape on your fingers when you're caulking. This right.
Like that, you stretch it real good. Close it back down over there.
Perfecto.
Ba-bam.
Oh, you don't have to cut it this time, I don't think. It's good. It's over more. Perfect. So I can keep going and not rip and tear my finger up.
We were able to get all the upper and lower trim pieces put on and the corner pieces. So this will be nice and ready for us on Monday. We will tackle that board and batten, hopefully. We do have some other things we've got to do on Monday, so hopefully we'll get right to it as soon as possible. Well, another week gone by.
Yeah, you know what's crazy though? This is week 26, which means that we are 6 months in. We are half a year from the beginning of this project, and we're now slowly starting to see more and more finishing product, and that's really good.
Yeah, I did a lot of caulking because you saw we got a ton of board and batten done. Here's some behind us. Guys, I have almost cried, not this many times, this many times, because I step back and look at it and totally amazed that we've done this. So
yeah, it's quite beautiful. We had the electricians come this week and really put some time in. They finished their big job, and so they could obviously give us more time, which was great. The HVAC guys got one step closer. I don't think they're very far away at all, which is kind of funny, because about the time that we really needed air conditioning, we probably were not going to need it as much, because it's going to be fall, but we'll take what we get. It's wonderful.
We've had some cool weather this week, so the mornings have been really nice, so that's been great.
It has. Overall, good stuff.
Yeah, again, lots of
tables. Yep,
built some tables. Tables, as in the little black ones that go with these
couple tables that
chairs.
Go with this. They just, in fact, the tripod's sitting on that, and it's so cute and dainty. And we have who knows what we're going to do next week. We just go as we go. I'm hoping that we can get the loft worked on and perhaps even finished out. So I am going to end up doing a little bit of sheetrock work, even though I think we're probably going to hire a crew. They will do their job way faster than I can.
Yeah, he's really good at sheetrock, but
yeah, I am. I'm pretty proud of my sheetrocking skills. But I'm slow. I'm not very fast.
All right. Thanks so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and share, and we hope you have a wonderful week.
Yep. Take care.
Once again, we really appreciate you watching, and if this is your first Flipping the Farm vlog, we would love for you to click on our playlist right here and get caught up. Guys, you would not believe the difference from day one until now. Be sure to leave us a comment and let us know what you think.